April 25, 2015. 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck the heart of Nepal. Nearly 9,000 lives were lost, 23,000 injured, and over 1 million children were left without schools. Homes crumbled, families were displaced, and entire communities were shattered. But even amidst the devastation, hope rose. And Plan International Nepal was there from day one. As a child-focused organization, we stood side by side with children and their communities, not just in the immediate days of crisis, but throughout a long, difficult road to recovery, in coordination with the government of Nepal and in partnership with local organizations. We reached nearly 288,000 people, including over 117,000 children. We built 310 temporary learning centers, allowing over 21,000 children to return to school and reclaim their dreams. We created 77 child-friendly spaces and 24 adolescent-friendly spaces, ensuring girls and boys had safe places to heal, play, and grow. Because every child deserves to feel protected and heard, our Cash for Work programs, livelihood recovery, and training for young women as the youngest females mason in their villages proved that recovery isn't just about rebuilding walls, it's about restoring dignity and confidence. From WASH interventions to shelter support, from early childhood care to anti-trafficking protection, we responded not just with aid, but with accountability, partnership, and purpose. 10 years on, the memory of that dark day remains etched in our hearts. But so does the courage of the children, the resilience of communities, and the power of working together. As we reflect, we also recommit to building a safer, more just, and inclusive Nepal for every child. Because at Plan International Nepal, we believe every child has the right to rise even after the ground beneath them falls.